Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'll try and do Solana as well because it is the weekend, so the stock market is closed. Congratulations, another plus 3% on Tesla, which is beautiful. Off the bottom, around 87%. Which is perfect. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and turn on the bell. And I want you to, normally when I say let's jump into the charts for Bitcoin now, it switches to a song, an intro. Let me know in the comment section. Do you want the intro or do you want me to just continue talking? Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Tesla was up 2.99%, Meta down 2.7%, Intel up 2.9%, Google slightly down, Meta down, MCRT slightly down, Bitcoin slightly down, almost even. The rest of the market even. Uniswap World, Bitcoin 57,794. Let's start always onto the weekly chart. We're jumping into the weekly chart. Stochastic on the weekly is oversold, extremely oversold. Last time it was this low was again back in December 2022. In my opinion, we've started the first impulse wave of the new count. This new count here, I believe that has begun, and this all count is finished. So now we're on the new impulse. Again, stochastic oversold, which is good on the weekly. Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. If I had a blue buy back in 2023 at 20k, it's still a blue buy now. Didn't flip to a red sell. The Bitcoin Indicator Bot, which you also get in the Master Course, fired a sell at the top, didn't fire a buy yet. Let's go into the daily. On the daily, we had this rising wedge that broke down. As I said yesterday, it broke down, but then it held and bounced. So it's showing that the selling pressure here, people don't want to sell Bitcoin at 54 anymore. It's like too low and people are ready to buy it. Volume increased the last few days as well, which is beautiful. Let's go closer onto the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, you can see this rising wedge playing out, like I guess like this, but not really a very strong pattern here. We need to see more of a, it seems like it's making a bottoming formation. We had this double bottom and we're like bouncing, curling up. It could retest on the weekend. It is very possible that we retest this low. I don't think so, because the last time we had this low was the 4th of July and German government selling 3 billion Bitcoin, which now they've fully sold their Bitcoin. 3 billion they sold last week. $3 billion worth of Bitcoin, 50,000 Bitcoin they sold last week. And that only managed to push the price down to 53K. So that's where I'd open the same trade, 53,369 as a safer trade. Stop loss 52,589, risking $737 per Bitcoin to make, and I would target that 88K target on the next Elliott wave counts up. Risking 737 to make 36,585 per Bitcoin. So risk $737 to make $36,000. Where else can you do that with no leverage per Bitcoin? With 10x leverage, that would be $360,000. That's the riskier trade I'll take on Bitcoin. For a safer trade, I would take this drop on the... that's the safer trade. For a riskier trade, I would take this drop of this rising wedge and try. So say the wedge plays out like this and breaks down, we'd get a bounce off probably the monthly support, the weekly support. So I'll take another long. This one's more risky with a tighter stop loss off this weekly support and take profit. This I would take for shorter term trade this monthly resistance. This is the short term trade. This is the safer long term trade. And this I would take less risk. So the riskier one will open at 55,783. Stop loss, the shorter term, 55,549. Take profit 63K. Risk to reward 30 times, risking $234 per Bitcoin with no leverage to make $7,234. Where can you risk $234 to make $7,234 per Bitcoin with no leverage? Those are the two trades. This is again the riskier long term, the safer long term trade at 53K, and this one, the way you read them again, the gray line is where the trade opens, the limit order. Red line is where the trade automatically stop losses, and the green line is the take profit. So you can see that trade set up there, 55, 700, 55, 500, and take profit 63. And you can see this trade set up here. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. Let's jump into Solana because that was very requested by a lot of you. Solana USDT over on Bybit spot. Let's open it up. Oops. Solana onto the weekly time frame. Did it come down and hit my weekly trade? Not yet. I would keep that same trade. 121, stop loss 118, take profit 257. And it looks like Solana is getting ready to break out here. This descending triangle, you can see, builds pressure, builds pressure, builds pressure, and breaks out. 229 would be the first target. That's the trade I would take on Solana. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do underneath the video, go down below under the video, and you'll see the links to the exchanges. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you sign up to that link. Sign up to Bybit, get a $30,000 bonus using that link, and you also join the gurus and the mini competitions. Take all the courses. There's 3 courses at jamescryptoguru.com. Laws of Money Crypto Master Course, where you get all the bots, and the Stock Guru Master Course. And then join us in the Telegram. There's around there's 9,000 of you inside the Telegram that you can join as well. I don't know why the new iPhone update is just being weird. Sorry. Okay, that's those updates. And Solana, I'm going to show my trades. My Bybit account 528 bounced off that 513 low, which is good. 530, it's been sitting around 528, 9.11 Bitcoin. I've got my Bitcoin trade, which is $267,000 Bitcoin trade, is still $6,500 in the negative. 267,000. It was negative 24,000 at one point, bouncing back a little bit. I'm holding Assets Pocket 1.89%, USDT 40%, Bitcoin 16%, MCRT 15%, Uni 9%, Doge 8%, World 7%. And these are some of your comments the last few days. Just got a tip about Vent. Sounds like a scam. Removing. Hey James, love your videos. Been following you since the bottom in November 2022. Can you check out Cass? I will do it. I'd have to do it later because the video is already long. There are 197 countries in the world who believe in Bitcoin, not only Germany. Bitcoin standing at the bottom. This is the best time to invest in Bitcoin. It's correct. Germany just sold $3 billion worth of Bitcoin, 50,000 Bitcoin, and it got bought up in 1 week without dropping the price. It's showing you that there's a lot of buying pressure at these prices. James, thank you for updating us every day. You're welcome, George. Thank you for watching. Solana check done. Thank you, Faust. We are the warrior. We are the Spartan. Hold your positions now. Correct. Now I wouldn't be selling towards these lows. With all in the flows, I feel like it can be a trap for longs, and give it a good buy at 52. 52 is a very strong support. LOL, beautiful. Want to be a happiness painter? Like this comment and let's brush some joy into the canvas. Okay. Hey James, you're the best trader in the world. Can you do AVAX? I'd have to do it in the next video. Tap the like button. Let's turn this comment section into a desert of happiness. Beautiful music was nice. So some people like the music. I'll ask in the video tomorrow, should I add it back? Everyone let me know. Always looking to your videos. Thank you, James. Thank you very much. Those are the updates in the market. Love you all, everyone. Keep studying, learning, and take the courses. If you're skeptical about the courses, these are some comments. Bought your course a few months back, took profits and bought a new Harley Davidson Road King. I bought your crypto master course. I just want to say you're a genius. The course is super worth it, inexpensive compared to the knowledge you shared. Because of my 2K is now 8K because of your course, and you can just see I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. I bought a villa in Punta Cana, 500,000. Congratulations, everyone. Keep learning, keep studying. Let me know in the comment sections if you want me to add that voice, and let me know if you want me the sound, and if you want me to analyze any tickers or any cryptocurrencies. Love you all. Have an amazing weekend. Enjoy your life. Be grateful for your blessings, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.